Okay, so I'm gonna try to assemble this Flexispot electric desk. These are the assembly instructions that came with it, and looks like this desktop is in two pieces. It's a split. They probably have to be attached together using these dowels. So going through this, it's good they have a customer service number and email. If I'm missing any parts or there's some problems, I can contact them. They also have a return form, which is nice in case I need to return the product. Looking at the instructions, it's got the parts list, and it's like IKEA style instructions. Actually, it's good. They've got some descriptions on things to watch out for. That's good. Trying to see using these wooden pins. There are 3 wooden pins here, but it doesn't say if they have to be glued together or how exactly. Yeah, it's the 3 wooden pins. Doesn't look like they've supplied any glue or anything like that, so we'll see. Okay, first things first. Looks like I will need a drill machine. Okay, I have one in case I need it. Okay, so looks like it comes with a 5-year warranty for the Freeman motor and a 2-year warranty for the controller, switch, electronics, and other mechanisms. Okay, so for $150, it's not too bad. And I think Flexispot is a name brand. Okay, so first things first. Okay, the max weight capacity is not a whole lot. It's 132 pounds, but I think that's good enough. So the diagram of the components. Okay, so first things first, attach the desk foot to the lifting columns. Okay. Using the 8M6 bolts, that's G. So let's see. I think that's good. They've labeled this really well. Okay, that's G. So I don't think they've supplied. Yeah, they've supplied an Allen key. They're 2 different sizes. Okay, so G is, let's get this out. And let me get the bolts out for G. Okay, let's get this one out. Okay, and I guess the parts, these feet are just, these are the feet. One of them is with the motor. So let's just align these. And looks like this is where they're supposed to be connected. Okay, that's the feet here. Let's see, we'll bring these here. We can connect them one at a time. Okay, so that's what I need. 484 per foot. And these look like these are the same, so I could use either of those. Okay, so those are ready for assembling. And let's see. Okay, and looks like it doesn't matter. Obviously these feet has to face the bottom because they're adjustable and they need to be adjusted, so these should face the bottom. And it looks like it goes in this way, so we should align these. And I guess I'll align any two of these holes. First let me check if they screw in well. Yeah, and they seem to screw in well. Put in the opposite sides first, and then try to align this. Okay. Looks like these screws just about go in into the feet, probably with the not a lot of leverage, but that should be okay. I should have maybe supplied longer screws, but I guess as long as it holds, that's fine. Okay, and then I'm gonna tighten this. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for the, I'll tighten all four and do the same thing for the other feet, and I'll continue the video.